Our businesses are transforming through the adoption of new technologies, and Canadian companies are competing on a world stage. In central Ontario, the cities of Barrie and Orillia, in partnership with the County of Simcoe, have formed a regional manufacturing partnership with Georgian College and Lakehead University to optimize resources and support the adoption of innovative technology by small and medium-sized companies as they embark on this transformation.
Hello, Vern Solom with Environmental Systems Corporation in Barrie. We build environments for client success, such as clean rooms and other controlled environments where temperature, humidity, and pressure are important to their operations. The data that we now collect assists our clients in making better decisions.
It all started about 12 years ago when we got our first reject. That's when we decided to buy our first sensor. And we implemented that sensor in the cavities of our tools that would ensure we'd never ship a bad product ever again. Since then, over 12 years, we've developed a lights-out manufacturing facility using Industry 4.0 technologies. All our infrastructure is controlled, from our water systems to our compressed air systems to our material feed system. They're all integrated into one central system that allows us to see what's happening in the plant, predict issues before they happen, and achieve a fully lights-out manufacturing facility.
Whether leveraging digital marketing platforms, tracking energy usage, embedding sensors into production lines, or building smart end products, companies of all sizes are gaining a competitive advantage in this region.
So some of the reasons for investing in new technology, here we have a new sheet mask machine, which is really for a new product, new customers, and new markets. Other reasons why we invest in new technology here at CSR would be to improve manufacturing process quality or productivity improvements in the manufacturing process.
Our new Smart Critical innovation, in partnership with Georgian College, is allowing us to securely collect data that will allow us to drive decisions that will save energy, improve efficiency, and still maintain compliance in regulated industries.
Working with industry partners such as IRAP, Georgian College, and OCE has accelerated our implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies. Collaboration with these partners has enabled us to implement over 10 projects over the last 10 years.
So we had the opportunity to attend a remap technology session, in that it identified a process on how a company can identify its best opportunities to implement technology, and secondly, identified where companies were and different industries were in terms of implementing these various new technologies.
Industry 4.0 starts with your people and your culture, a culture of innovation and collaboration, a culture where everybody is involved in order for it to be successful, where everybody embraces the technology, willing to train and implement the technology. These technologies have transformed our industry by giving us the ability to automate our processes, connectivity of all our processes into one central system that allow us to achieve efficiency levels that only others can dream of.